fellow Y2Kers. Welcome back to the Diablo. Wanted to make a POV drive. I guess it's not technically a POV, but I got a new wireless mic from Rode, the Wireless Go, and I mounted the camera on the back glass, the GoPro. So I wanted to see how it would come out. By the way, if you're new to the channel, my name is Blake, and Y2K is all about cars from the 80s, 90s, and 2000s, which is what I grew up with. So I just filled up with gas, as you can see. Well, maybe you can't see, but it's full. And we're gonna go take a drive and see what you guys think about this new cam angle and the audio. Curious if it's better or worse with it being clipped onto my shirt here. So let's go. There's a policeman right here. Saw him earlier this morning. I guess he found his place at work today, where it changes from 55 to 45. Of course, cops sit there right when it changes. That way they can get you for 10 over in the 45 when you're in the 55. I'm going to get on it a little bit, so if you're watching right now and you're like already about to click off, don't click off, because I am going to do some accelerations. I'm just taking it easy because of the cop. That's all. Don't worry, you're going to get what you came for. Full throttle. Crackling nicely. Good job, Diablo. Third gear. Let's roll into it. Now, I don't know if you can hear at around 4,800 RPMs, if you can see the tach. It's almost like an Italian VTEC. I think it like comes on the cam. And at that point, it's progressively faster. It's pretty awesome. And then the whole sound changes. It's almost like there's an intake baffle that just opens. It's like a butterfly valve. And it gets more serious at that point. Way cooler than my 04 RSX I had in high school. But when that VTEC kicked in, yo, it was dope at 6,000. If any of you guys had Hondas, I'm a big fan. I had one, thought it was great. Still love them, still want to get a DC5 RSX Type R when they become legal. You could buy one right now, but it's not quite legal. Such a sweet Italian sound this engine makes. Someone recommended we do a podcast episode where we talk about the top 5 best sounding Y2K cars. I think we can make that happen, because I've got several that I would say are the top. Carrera GT is definitely one of them. Obviously this. McLaren F1. Alright, second gear. Feeling nice. Rev match. Oh, didn't get the rev match there. How about second? Oh yeah, we got it. We got it. Amazing day. It was actually like 55 degrees here in Florida this morning. Went for a run. It was awesome. Trying to get back into running with all this downtime. I used to run a 433 mile when I was 17 years old. And I felt like that was pretty fast. There were people that were faster. There were. But I'm pretty proud of that, I'm not gonna lie. My 2 mile was a 950. and I ran 3 miles in like 15:30 converted. We only ran 5K. I ran like a 16:07 in 5K. So I'm trying to get back into that. If any of you guys are runners, I'm kind of thinking about doing some videos on running. Because like I said, got a lot of time on my hands right now. Maybe I can teach you what I learned over the years if you're trying to do your first 5K or something like that. I really haven't run seriously since I was 18. But I can still go out there and clip off 7-minute pace on like 3 miles or something like that. Been running with my old buddy, his name's Jason. Me and him were rivals in middle school and then became best friends and teammates in high school. That's the way things work in life sometimes. So me and him are trying to get back at it. And then maybe we can, when we turn 40, if we're fast enough at that point, maybe we can win the master's class. I'm 33 and he's 34. As you can tell, nobody on the road. Quarantine life. But perfect for driving the car. Usually during this time, it's tourist season, spring break, 1997, MTV approved. Usually that's going full bore, and driving this car is not the most fun in those conditions. Sounds like there's a Gatling gun attached to this thing. I love it. I need to do a video where I show you all the 30 or 40 118 scale cars I bought when I was 5 years old. Got a couple Diablos, McLaren F1, F3, or 348, sorry. 348, not 355. I need to buy a 355 model car. A real one would be great too, but more realistically, a Model 1 for now. Got some dope Jurassic Park dinosaurs as well. If you guys like Jurassic Park, comment down. Tell me if it's dope. The original's the only way to go, but I'm actually pretty impressed with the latter Jurassic Park series they've been doing. There was a scene where a dinosaur on the last one came into the kid's room and like almost ate it. And that was pretty much my main fear at 5 years old was, a dinosaur coming into my room and eating me. I actually drew a story in like kindergarten or first grade. And, I just had a T-Rex with his eyeball in the window, and that was pretty much my main terror. I don't know why. I mean, they've been extinct for like 60 million years, but I was just pretty much certain that was going to be happening to me. And also in that little coloring book, there's a few of them. My mom made a scrapbook. I should probably put that on here too. But it's like cars with the speedometers maxed out. You can go on VinWiki and see a little bit of it. I did a thing for VinWiki on my business wannaGOFAST for the half-mile drag race stuff at the airports. Fun times. We're back in the neighborhood now. So, hope you guys enjoyed watching. Stuck behind a Ford Taurus, and the speed limit's 25, so nothing exciting going to be happening now. If you liked what you saw, give us a big thumbs up. The algorithm really appreciates thumbs up. So if you could do that, that would be great. And subscribe. Turn on the bells, the whistles, whatever YouTube wants to do. And come hang out. See you guys on the next upload.